Maybe 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
多分 maybe I build a new house. When I build a new house, だから30 years.
30 years, but also a long,
Yeah.
long time.
I into plant
Inside the house.
inside the house in winter season
Winter season.
and summer season go out inside
Inside,
Inside.
you just spray.
spray
Ah,
only spray.
only spray.
Yeah.
How about the Monstera?
Monstera mo
Also spray.
spray one time 1 week
Oh, once a week only.
winter season あまり水はいらない summertime every day
Every day spray.
every day shush. My husband water
Use the hose.
hose
Ah. So
every day
every day.
every morning.
Every morning.
So I am grow up plant 自然 natural
Naturally.
Naturally. そうでもmy husband always cutting
Cut
cutting
the grass.
and weeding
Weeding. Outside.
そうだから it's
It
green
looks good. It looks good.
種で増やしていく I get many seed
Many seed.
and まく
Mark. And just
just
throw.
grow
Throw on the soil
and grow up
and grow. Ah.
自然 I don't buy any plant
You buy seeds
yeah
and then grow
yes
from the seeds.
and Christmas rose maybe I got seed
And then
and grow up
grow. Oh. So,
it's これランタナ
lantana.
ランタナ
So all your plants outside are from seed.
シー
Wow.
うちはほんと自然ナチュラル
Natural.
だからdied leave
Daily. Yeah.
そうあとねそうあまりいろいろなものは植えない not many plant
Not many plants.
only なんていうの
A few.
うん
Start with few plants
few plant
and then
種類
shuroi.
そうあまり種類は植えない This room small room
Small room.
and warm
Yes.
and have a nice view and
Relax.
happy relax time
Yes, it's a lovely room. What
Yeah.
room do you call this one? Ano, Mama? What is this room called?
廊下
Roka. Ah,
廊下
corridor. In English, it's corridor.
廊下
Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you.
Thank you, Marie. Interview.
See you again next time.
I'll see you. Comes again.